everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you a not too shabby shop design team project share. I'm going to make 5 cards using one stamp set. Today I am featuring the Donut Hog stamp set by Paperie Ink. So again, the website is nottoshabbyshop.com. Here is Jamie's logo. I will link the website and a coupon code down in the description box below, so you could use in case you do want to shop in her not too shabby shop. So the stamp set that I'm using today is Donut Hog by Paperie Ink. This is one of the most recent releases by Paperie Ink. Jamie did have several stamps from this collection or from this release in her shop. This was one of them. It has some sentiments. It has some really cute images of some little pigs with some donuts. It is so super cute. I'm also going to be using this Pink Fresh Studio. This is just a mini slimline die. It looks like it's called the mini slimline stitched scalloped rectangle die. And then I also have some sprinkles from Cat Scrappiness. This was in our box of the month from last month. And then I'm also using glossy accents. And what I want to show you here is that I am just about done with this bottle. I just purchased this one recently, but I went to town with some of my ephemera pieces from the box of the month from this month, and I used it all up. And then this is Made with Love. It's by Doodlebug. This is the paper collection that I'm going to be using for the cards for this project. And then of course I'm using some Barely Art wet glue to glue the cards. So let's get started. What I've done is I've already prepped 4 of the cards off camera, and the style is pretty much the exact same. The only difference is the placement of the actual stamped images. I'll show you those in just a second. I do have one card that we'll assemble together on camera today, and then I'll kind of do a full recap of all of them. So I just want to show you, look, here is what the images stamped and colored with alcohol ink markers can look like. Plus I did add some little sprinkles and some glossy accents. Super fun. I really like the look of the glossy accents on these images, and these images are so cute. And I just did some super basic alcohol ink coloring. I didn't do anything fancy. And I think these cards just turned out super cute. I think they're so fun too. I think this one is my favorite because of all the little images. So I just think they turned out so stinking cute. So fun. And I just really enjoyed playing with this stamp set. I will have another video here later. I think next week I'll kind of do another little project with this stamp set. As part of my design team. I am on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. And so here is the card that we're going to do. Here are the stamped images, another little close-up. I do have 3 little stamped images, and then I have the die, which has the background, which is this one, and I have already stamped a sentiment onto it from the stamp set. And then I have the die cut borders, the stitched scalloped borders that I'll be adding to this card as well. And then of course I have a card base, and this is just a mini slimline card base. So, and then I am going to be using Barely Art wet glue to glue this down. So let's just glue this together. So with this border die, it actually comes with 2 dies. I'm going to start with the inside die. I find that it's easier if I glue the inner border first and then the outer, and then I can glue in the inside piece. So I'm just centering this right on the inside or the middle section of the card base. And then I'm going to go ahead and add glue to the outside border die as well. And so here I'm just adding a little bit of glue and adding this in. And as of right now, I believe this stamp set is still available in the Not Too Shabby Shop. So if you definitely want to hop on over if this is a stamp set that you want while Jamie still has it in stock. So here is what the border looks like. Super cute. And then what we'll do is we'll add in the inner section, which I just die cut this out of the pattern paper that I use from this collection by Doodlebug. Adding some glue on that. Make sure to get it right on the corners as well. I'm going to glue that right on the inside panel of the front of our card, and that is our card base with our card mats. Super easy. And then all I'm doing is going to add the 3 little stamped, colored, fussy cut, and then the images that have the glossy accents right on top. I'm going to glue them right onto the front of the card where I feel like they kind of fit the best just from a spacing standpoint. So I have my larger one to the left, the next largest to the right, and then I have the little smaller one right in the middle above the sentiment. So again, I will link Jamie's Not Too Shabby Shop down in the description box below, the link to the website, along with a coupon code in case you're interested. You can definitely hop on over. Jamie gets new items pretty much weekly, I think. I mean, she is just constantly getting new stuff. This is such a cute stamp set, super cute cards, I think, that turn out from this stamp set. So if this is one that you want, you definitely want to hop on over and check it out. Make sure you get it before it sells out. A lot of times once they sell out, they are gone. So again, this is the Donut Hog stamp set by Paperie Ink. And I did get this as part of my design team package. This is from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I made 5 mini slimline cards today using this one stamp set. Let's do a quick recap of all 5 cards. So super cute. Again, this is mini slimline in size, and I just stamped, colored the images with some alcohol markers, and then I added some glossy accents, or I cut them out, and then I added glossy accents, and I did add some sprinkles, which I think just make these little donuts just so adorable. So again, I will list the Not Too Shabby website link and a description and a discount code down in the description box below. And again, here is the logo in case you're interested, so you can hop on over and try to get this stamp and so much more from her shop. Thanks for visiting, everyone. Hope you subscribe, like this video, follow us on Instagram. Here's a couple videos I think you might enjoy, and happy crafting.